Okay, so that's the first couple of phrases from Do You Feel Like We Do, Peter Frampton. We're going to have, so that's 5 on the G, 7 on the D, 7, 5 on the G, 7, 5 on the D. And we're going to come down to the 3rd fret of the D string. We're going to have a 3, 5, and then you can actually do a little slide here and a pull off. So that's 6 to 5 on the D, pulling off to the 3, 5, 3 on the A. So it's, and we're going to do that riff twice. Then we end with this little phrase, 5, 3, 5 on the E, back to the 3 on the A. So we have. Okay, then we come in with the harmony part. So that's 9 on the G to 10 on the D, 10, 9 on the G, and then we have a hammer-on pull-off, 7, 9, 7 on the G to the 9 on the D. So we got, then we're going to go 7 on the D to 8 on the A, 9, 7 on the D, 8, 7 on the A. So this new part is, the harmony is. And they're going to do that again. We're going to end with 8, 7, 10, 10 on the big string. Okay, so this new part again was. Then we're going to have a new part. So that's 8s and 10s. Come down to the 6 here, to the 7. We're going to have that little bluesy slide. This is going to be 9 to 8 to 6. 7, 5 on the G. So that was 6 to 7. 7, 5. Do it again. And then we have a fill here. So we're going to go 8 to 10 on the 2nd string. 2 10s right there. Then a slight pause. Then you have another 10 and then a hammer on here, so it's. And then you're gonna go 6, 8, 6, like a triplet, to the 7 on the G, 6, 5, 7, 5. So it's. And then we have. So this one's 8, 10, 10, 7, 10, 8. Go down to the 6, we have our similar bluesy riff. And again. So we're going to have a quick hammer, 3 to 5 here, and then you're going to get into 2, 3, 4. So it's like a 1E, 2, 3, 4. Okay, that ends that part. So let's look at everything we have so far. We got. Now you could play that part again, or you could jump to the harmony. Now we're going 8s and 10s down here. To the 6. And this one actually goes up to the 6 right here on the way to that riff. And that's the one that goes to the 7. Okay, now we have a key change. We're going to the 8th fret of the G. We're doing very similar riffs. Now, the only difference here is we have a measure of 2 beats, 2/4. We're going to go 10, 8, 8. And then we're going to jump right up. So we kind of skip a couple beats there from the normal feel of it. 1 and 2. And then we start a new measure down here in this 11. So it's kind of our same riff there. Now we're going to go to this 9 on the 2nd string. And that's our standard kind of bluesy riff. Now we're going to have 11 to 13 hammer and 13 to 15 hammer. And then we're into the rhythm. Okay, so let's look at our new part, our key change on the 8th fret. Okay, now our rhythm is going to go. Got A power chord. You could kind of slide in. Listen to it. It's different like every time, but it's like kind of has some slides in there. You could do some different things, kind of mix it up, but it's basically just like a A5, E5, A5, kind of hold A, start it over, E5, couple A's, and then A7, so that's your 5, 7, 5, 6, 5, 5. And then it has like a 1, 2, 3, 4. D5, 5, 7, 7, starting on the A string. This is the chorus. Now this chord here is like a C chord, like this 10, 9, and 8. D string down to B string, but has an 8th fret F bass note. So it's a C/F. So it's D5 power chord, C/F to a regular C down here, 3 of the 5s. And that ends with 3 and 4 and, so it's 3, 5, 3, and D power chord again. So chorus is. And then go A bass, 303 on the A. So you go A open and then 303, and you're back to D power chord, C with the F, and C, riff. Okay, so I got one more thing for you. This is later on, like the second time through, instead of, there's a lower one that goes with it. It's like, so it's 5, 7 on the D, 2 7s on the G, 1 more 7, hammer on, 5, 7, 3, 5, 3, so it's 5 on the A, 3, 2 on the D, 5, 3 on the A, so it's.